Online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss. We're all online bosses. That's my agenda for this channel, is to make as many people successful on this planet by making money online, guys. If I can do it, anybody can do it. It's not hard. Making $10,000 a month isn't hard. And through my social medias, through what I've got planned, I'm going to educate the masses on how to make money online. Okay, so you've seen the title of this video. This is a bit of a very kind of deep video, guys. Very vulnerable video. Something that I always wanted to do because I want to tell you guys this my story, and from zero to hero, and inspire you guys to know no matter where you are in your life, no matter what path you've been down or you are at, there's always an alternative way, and there's a better way, and there's light at the end of that tunnel. So you've seen the thumbnail, guys. Stay to the end, because I'm also going to show you guys at the end what you can do to change your lives. Okay, so yes, I've been to prison. Not something that I'm proud of, but something that helped me become the person I am today. I had like a bad childhood, I had traumas, and I don't want to go too deep into the traumas, but I had a lot of traumas, a lot of things going on, families, circumstances. Dad was never there, never really had a role model, but I always had this hunger to succeed. And this is for you guys and girls that has that hunger to succeed. I do, but honestly, you've either got that hunger or you haven't, but I can bring that hunger out of you. I know I can, because we're all here to live an abundant life. We're here to prosper. We're here to evolve into something amazing, all right? But there is some people that are just born with this hunger. I don't know what it is, but this deep desire to succeed. And I was one of them. But the thing is, I didn't have no good knowledge. I didn't have any good role models. Didn't have the information that you guys have today with mentors like me, people sharing on YouTube, etc., etc. There was none of that when I was growing up. So the only way that I was seen to make money was through crime. And unfortunately, that's the path that I picked. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys what lesson I learned and what can help you guys to succeed. So that was the past. But what did I learn from that? And how did I get from being homeless, being in jail, to being a successful millionaire, living out in Dubai, having a business that's turning over 6 figures? A couple of things, guys, that will stand out to me. One is I changed my environment. When I come out of prison, I changed my environment. I didn't want to be around the same people that I was around before. Now, this is very important. This is very important to kind of change any habit. That could be smoking, drinking, drugs, whatever your bad habits is the best way is to take yourself out of the environment. Some people can say, well, I haven't got money to move to Dubai, I haven't got money to travel. Guys, a lot of my time was spent in Thailand. I spent less money. I checked myself in the gym. My passion has always been fighting, and I was just training. Thailand's a beautiful place. It's cheap. Anybody can go there and live their life for less than $1,000 a month. All right. So most places, most people that are watching this, you probably spend that anywhere on your rent. So changing my environment was very, very important for me. All right. Being by myself was very important, because I learned who the true me was. And the true me wasn't a person to commit crime. The true me was a person to learn a legit skill, to master this skill, and then to teach others and inspire the world. That was my destiny. So by going away, going by myself, through meditation, through going deep, through discipline, from my training and consistency, and having this never give up attitude, I burnt my boats. I said to myself, I would never do anything illegal again. So I burnt my boats and had no choice but to figure out this way. So that's also another thing you guys should do, is just burn your boats. Just say, I am not going back to that. I have to figure this out. And praise to God, thank you to the universe, I figured it out. I think I tried it's consistency, guys. As I said, consistency, you gotta be obsessed. I tried every single business model. And to be honest, looking back now, guys, every single business model, not every single business model, but the main business models, they all work. And that's gonna lead me to something that I am creating for you guys. I'm creating a platform. It's gonna cost about $100,000 to create this platform. I've partnered up with the best e-com guys on the planet, best copywriters, the best affiliate marketing people. I'm doing a Web3 course, so many things on one platform, and it's gonna cost you guys a bottle of water. This video is not about pitching this course, it's not out for a couple of months anyway. It's gonna cost you guys a bottle of water to have access to all these courses. I spent over $100,000 on courses, educating myself. And imagine you're gonna have it for the price of a bottle of water a day. All right, guys, so anyway, onto the actual story. So, all those main factors is what helped me, guys, and I had to figure it out. And this is what I say to you guys, you need to be obsessed. To be the best, you have to be obsessed, right? Remember that. Also remember this, to live a life that others don't, you have to do what others won't. And that's what I did. I took myself out of that situation, out of that circle. I literally went without. Loads of friends was going out, going parties, doing this. I was in a different country. I missed birthdays, Christmases, and my family, everything to figure this out, right? It's very simple, guys. If you want to be a successful person, look around everybody. They say you're the average of the 5 people you're around. So look around. Are these people really who you want to be? Are they? Ask yourself this. And if your answer is no, you don't want to be like this, I don't care for sure. Friends, family, mom, dad, kids, anything. Obviously kids are different, but you know what I'm getting at. If that's who you don't want to become, you take yourself away from that situation, from those people. You change your environment. Because guys, I tell you one thing, there's nobody that really cares for you as much as you care for yourself. Everybody else may feel like they care for you. Even your parents, they care for you, but they care for you in their own way of caring. You should do this, you should do that. You want to do your own stuff, live your own life, become your own boss. You create your own reality. Guys, you need to take this serious. We have one life. We have many opportunities in one life, and you want to grab the opportunity by its horn and run with it. Okay, so as I continue, my breakthrough was just being consistent with many online businesses, and then I found cryptocurrency. What I'm trying to explain to you guys is most of these business models will work, but it's who gives up first. You've seen someone that tried drop shipping and said it's crap. There's people that made millions out of drop shipping. They're not succeeded because they didn't stick to it. They didn't have consistency. They give up way too early. The guy that invented the light bulb, he did 1,000 inventions before he invented the light bulb. What if he gave up? Never give up. Focus. Follow one course until successful. So focus. That's another very important thing you guys need to do. So I found my niche, my angle. Timing. It was for timing. Don't do luck. Luck doesn't exist. There's such thing as luck. We create our own luck. It was through timing. The right business model was there for me at the right timing, and I capitalized on that. And I made a lot of money on that. I made millions from that. And then because I got so great at it, I had companies paying me hundreds of thousands to launch their projects. I did that. Then I opened my marketing agency, and we make 6 figures a month from that. So look where it evolved, guys. This is 30-something years of hustling. I'm 37 now, so I've actually been working since I was like 10 years old in the market store with my uncle. But so 20-something years of hustling, trial and tribulations, and I made it. And you can make it too. That's the point of this video, to tell you guys, it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter what color you are, it doesn't matter what country. I have people on my TikTok saying, I'm from Nigeria, how can I succeed? Same way I succeeded. Same way. You don't have to be in England. You don't have to be in Dubai. You don't have to be in America. You can learn this online. I had the same thing that you had. I had internet connection and I had a phone. And I succeeded. And you guys can succeed the same. Okay? So this is my message to you guys. That there is an alternative way. I made more money now and since I started to make money online than I did in crime. So if any of you guys was like me and maybe still like me, that's not the way. You're doing this, the reason why I did it. If you were a criminal now, you're doing the same reason why I did it. And that's because you wanted freedom. You wanted freedom for you, you wanted freedom for your family. But I want to tell you something. That's not freedom. You're risking your lives. You're risking your freedom. It's not freedom. Think about what you're doing. Now I have financial freedom. I don't need to look over my shoulder. I haven't done nothing since I went to jail bad. You know, I'm a legit businessman and you can do the same. Guys, this is just a nice short video to inspire you. I'll do more videos than this if you like it. Comment on this video, share it to a friend. Let's inspire the world because I'm gonna take so many people from zero to hero. Because if I can do it, I'm nobody. I got kicked out of school. I got called dyslexic. I got called thick. I got called a nobody. I was told I would amount to nothing. If I can do it, you can do it. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, and watch this video here. And guys, God bless you all. We all can make it. Peace out.